Hi David, how are you doing?
Hi. Seeing me in this position, how are you able to ask that question?
What is the reason that you have come to this position?
You know that last time I was late to the interview and you know who my father have gave me gifts. But this time, I was particularly to my time and I got job too, but the situation is so drastic. I said him that I know about coding and I am expert. He saw the certificates and believe, but I don't know what is coding itself. Now I have to build OS with other team members. Now you say what I have to do.
Hi guys, don't mind, I have solution for your problem. See friends, nowadays we have every solution in YouTube, especially we have logistics YouTube channel where you get solutions of your questions. So let's see the solution.
Hello everybody, today we are going to know the most 5 famous operating systems all over the world. So first let's know what is an operating system. An operating system is a OS is a system software that manages computer hardware, software, resources and provides a common service for common programs. Let's understand this in a brief way. The main reasons for having an operating system in place to manage the device's hardware and software resources. In addition to this, the operating system provides the necessary for common services for installed programs to run. It works as an intermediate between the hardware and any programs that are being run on the mobile device or computer. Some of the things that operating system helps to accomplish include managing inputs from users, sending output to the output devices, management of storage spaces and control of peripheral devices. To better understanding operating systems, look at the use of computer resource as a busy intersections. Things get very messy if the intersections does not have traffic lights, just like it is with the lights, as an OS helps ensure that different users and programmers access the available computing resources in an efficient manner. As we have the clarity on how an operating system supports an user and how it plays a crucial role in a computer. Now let's know what are the 5 most operating systems and let's know what are the specialty of each and every operating system. The first operating system which we are going to know is the Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows stands the most widely used computer operating system in the world, accounting for 70.29% share of the desktop table and console OS market in February 2021. Windows is a very popular because it's a preloaded in majority of the new personal computers. Windows PC is also compatible with most of the software programs in the market. Windows computers support softwares like games and other programs, especially those developed significantly for Windows. Among the applicable programs that made Windows so popular was Microsoft Office. Additionally, the world of Windows is filled with a shareware and freeware. These are free download and they can be used to multitude for application with the personal computers. The major reason why Windows is so popular is because it was embraced by many enterprises early. Since it was used by many businesses first, it naturally filtered into homes because most people are familiar with it and used at the office. Now let's come to the second operating system is Linux. Linux is the most famous of its secure operating system, but as we are considering the most used, so we get Linux at the first place. But more than Linux, there is also the most securest, which is OpenBSD. As we started OpenBSD, let's have a quick access about it. OpenBSD is a full-featured Unix-like operating system available in a source and binary form. At no charge, OpenBSD integrates cutting-edge security technology and suitable for building of firewalls and private network services in a distributed environment. Now, many of us have a doubt that Linux and Unix are same or different. Linux and Unix are different, but they do have a relationship with each other as Linux is derived from Unix. Linux is not a Unix, but it's a Unix-like operating system. Linux system is derived from Unix and it is and it is a continuation on the basis of Unix design. Now let's come to the Linux. Linux is the most known by the following elements. One of the most attractive elements offered by the OS is price totally free. Users can download currently versions of hundreds of distributions. Businesses can supplement the free prices with the support services if needed. Second, this is a debate point, and where the Linux triumphs is because of its community, right? As Linux popularity grew, so did the number of developers and users involved the evolving code base. This army of high computers and dedicated individuals continues to spend countless hours discovering and quickly correcting bugs while also improving the code. The massive community supports, in my opinion, what makes Linux most stable and reliable. And third most famous OS is Apple Mac OS, which is widely known by the following elements. First one, Mac OS is an operating system that powers every Mac. It lets you do things you simply can't do with other computers. That's because it's designed specifically for the hardware and it turns on and vice versa. Mac OS comes with an entire suite of beautiful designs apps. Second element, it works hand in hand with the iCloud to keep the photos, documents and the stuff up to date all over devices. It makes a Mac work like in magic with your iPhone and other Apple devices. It has been built from the ground up with the privacy and security in mind. The last but not the least, the programmers and coders love Mac OS because it has a better cross-platform compatibility. If you get Mac, you can quickly run all the main operating systems, which is a big plus point for the learning programmers. Well, you can't build iOS apps on OS other than Mac OS, so you're stuck with a Mac. And this information is about operating system. We precisely done a very hard work to do this video. Please subscribe, share and like our channel, which you won't do mostly, but still we have a belief that you will do. And David, this is a way I have cleared your doubt with many other people who had doubt on this topic.